Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. In this case, actually 3 knives. Had these for a little bit. I got 2 in one package and 1 came in another, and I thought I'd do them all together. Obviously, they're from Kubey. I have not actually been into the boxes yet, so everything's still sealed up on the inside of there. We're going to open these up together. Thanks to Kubey for sending these knives in for me to review. Thanks to my generous patrons who are supporting me. There's a link for Patreon right down below, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. We'll just start off with this one right here. So the first knife, if I remember correctly, yeah, Kubey always seals these knives. So the first one here, KU2101D. I will link all of these right down in the description so that you guys can check them out. I am sure that if I can't find them on retailers, I can usually find them on Amazon. So this is a front flipper. We have G10 and I'm assuming D2. Okay, decent front flipper. There's, yeah, 14C28N. Fantastic. Not familiar with the designer logo there. Nice liner lock. Kubey always has really good quality. I'm always happy with Kubey's quality. I've never had an issue with it, right? Nice little fuller there. It's not like front flippers are new, but Kubey has, you know, like many knife manufacturers, knife OEMs, they have a less expensive line and they have a more expensive line. So this is probably in the less expensive territory. Yeah, a nice functional front flipper. Pretty, I'm not going to say slim, but a small, a more compact knife, and in 14C28N with a deep carry clip, so that's cool. Next one up here, KU321 something or other. Again, I'll make sure that the correct link is down in the description so you guys can check it out with the correct name. They don't, Kubey generally does have names for their knives, but on the boxes it just shows the model number. Come on there, bud. Let's get out. We got we got stuff to do. God bless America. There it is. All right, so let's cut this one open here real quick. And what do we have? We have, oh, this one's also a front flipper. Ooh, kind of like that one. I kind of like the ones that are a little bit wider in the handle scale region. And honestly, I kind of like a wider or taller blade as well. What are we looking at here for steel? D2, and then we have CM Designs, also a designer I'm not familiar with. Countersunk steel liner lock, good action, easy to front flip, very easy to reverse flick as well. Nice, straightforward, but nice. And then last but not least, let's see if this one's any easier to get out of here. I don't know. Nope, okay. Oh, definitely the biggest one of the bunch. These are all going to be front flippers. Very much a popular trend right now. Absolutely. Okay, so this one is your jade, and I don't know if it's coated or black washed. Much larger front flipper, at least wider or taller in body and taller in the blade even than the second one here. Easy to front flip, easy to reverse flick. Yeah, all very generic, very straightforward, but good, right? I like D2. I still like D2. I don't have a problem with it at what I'm assuming this price range in. Again, if you want to see what these are priced at, they're linked down below. I really like 14C28N though. That's got a better balance for me. D2, I believe when properly heat treated, will still have better edge retention, but it's not stainless. And it's a little bit more of a mess to sharpen. Not hard to sharpen, it's just kind of tedious. 14C28N, I found just has a really good balance of corrosion resistance, toughness. Like, it's really tough. And then it's actually stainless steel and holds a really good edge and a fine edge. I think you'll hear that repeated down in the comments section. But I do like D2. It's fine. These are all cool. Like I said, I very much doubt that these are expensive. You can check them out if you want to. They will each get reviews. This is not a review at all. This is unboxing and first impressions. I've never handled these before, so going in blind here. But they all feel very good, very consistent with Kubey. If you've never handled a Kubey knife, they all, you know, they tend to have very consistent quality control, solid lockup, good action, stuff like that for the money that you're paying. That's the experience I've had over the last 3 years anyway. So yeah, expect to see individual videos on these knives 3-4 weeks, maybe spread a little further since we've got 3 Kubeys here. I try to spread this kind of stuff out, not do the same manufacturer like every other day. So yeah, thanks again to Kubey for sending these in for me to take a look at. that's going to be pretty much it today. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on the Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.